You ever get a question? You want to skip some of your memory scan, and you may get replies telling you how to do it, but it doesn't seem to work. Yes, you can get what you call a temporary scan using the quick key, but then if you have like a 5-minute setting or a day or whatever, it's gone. Or you power off, power on, it's gone. So the question is there a persistent skip scan option other than deleting the channel? No, there isn't. You're just wasting your time listening to online telling you how to do it. There isn't one. However, there is a workaround that I use. As you are probably aware with the Icom 705, you have a select field. Select 1, 2, 3, and I think there might be a 4 where you can select 1 star, 2 star, 3 star. So what you can do, you hit menu, go to memory. This is the home group. See these stars? Okay. So basically, there's none, and then there's 1. So every channel that you want to scan, give it a star 1. And any channel that you don't want to see it scan, give it a star 2. And of course, every time you make that change, you want to write it to memory. Memory write. So that you power off, power on, it'll stay the same. Then you have one more option you have to do. Okay. After you have selected all the stars and for 1 and the other ones you want to skip, star 2, you have one more setting you have to go. We go to memory, we go to scan. Okay, looks like it was in a different, I gotta hold this. There you go. Let me just go back. I was in a different mode at this time, but you hold the memo for 2 seconds. You have the all memory scan, which will scan everything in all your groups, but we just want to scan memories with a star. And that's it. And let's prove that by shutting off. Oops, I just took a picture. I put it on temporary to sleep. Hold on. Power off. I'm going to power back on. Startup picture. Icom version 140, if you notice. There you go. It's scanning. You see the little star? So the advantage of doing that, you may want to program perhaps digital voice repeaters, fusion or DMR, depending on what type of radio you have. Not that your radio may support it, but in case you want to listen and see what type of activity is going on. There's various reasons. Or for testing purposes, you can use that to monitor. So that's how you do it. So don't believe the internet if they say that you can create a persistent skip. No, that's not the case. Instead of deleting the channel, now you can put it in with your group and turn off and on as you need it. Okay, I'm going to quickly show how it looks in my database and also on the Icom software. This is the field, and notice select 2. So the ones I want to listen to, I set it up for select 1. The ones I don't want to listen to on a scan is select 2. Okay, let me go. Okay, this is Windows 10. I opened the CS705, and this is the field called select. You have let me see if I can move the mouse there. Hold on. Trying to hold it steady, the camera. Okay. There you go. You have the options off, 1, 2, and 3. That's all. So if you're using the program, that's where you can set it up, or you can do it on the radio. So that's it. Okay, one of the advantages of updating to 140, I will show you that right now. I'll go back. Oops. And I'm gonna go back one more. SD card info. There you go. 243, almost 244 megabits. Before, you're only limited to 32. The advantage? It means you can have a whole bunch of different files. For example, you may have one memory card for your home area, and you're limited to 500 channels, and you happen to go to another part of the country, let's say another province, another state. You can then go in and load just the memories for that, and it'll all be on the SD card. You have lots of room. And that would apply to, I guess, for all the other files, your logs, recordings, stuff like that, or even pictures if you use a lot of pictures. So it's worth the upgrade. You go to setup, you go to SD card, you scroll down to firmware update, and it's going to ask you, do you agree? And then it's going to tell you to save what you have as an ICF file, which it does. And it will just save away, just in case. Complete it. Now it's going to prompt you to select the file which you would have put into the 705 folder of the SD card. Again, you have to agree. It's going to check the file to be sure it's not corrupted, and it's going to do an update. When I shut down the radio, it was in scan mode, so when I did a restart, it'll go right back to the state that I shut down in, which was a scanning mode. Love this feature. Great. If you haven't done so, it would be appreciated. Please subscribe. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.